I am Gloria Bowman, and I was working an event for Dr. Chernoff, and Dr. Walton was a professional that was also at the event. And I had talked to Dr. Chernoff about the fact that I had lost a porcelain veneer and how embarrassing it was to be at that event and talking with people and having this tooth missing, and that I also had a wedding coming up the following weekend. And he took me right over and introduced me to Dr. Walton. And Dr. Walton was so gracious and so kind. He said, you can't go to a wedding without a tooth. Let me see if we can take care of that. And he made special arrangements to have a support staff person come in on a day off. Dr. Walton came in, repaired my tooth, and I have been a patient of his ever since.
Some dental offices have 3 or 4 doctors and 6 or 7 hygienists and 15 dental assistants running around and 4 people answering the phones, and that's definitely a way to have a dental office operate. Those are busy places. Those are places that I have subbed in, and you leave there wondering, the hygienist that I just worked with, did she see a patient that she has seen 5 times before? Probably not.
He showed me what my smile could be after the procedure. He went step by step with me, talked me all through the whole procedure, and since that time I've not lost a single veneer, and I've also had no bleeding of my gums. My gums are much healthier than they were.
I have a huge advantage here. I have been the main hygienist for so many years that these patients, not only do I know them as people, but I know their mouths really well. So I have this great advantage in their care. If something changes in their mouth, I see it. So with that being said, it's the same thing for Rochelle. Rochelle, she's up front. She's been the same person for years and years. When you call, she answers the phone. You know her, you get to know her, she gets to know you and what you like, if you like a morning appointment or an afternoon appointment. We work really well together as a team. Being a small office, that's what I prefer. I went to a small university and loved that because my professors knew my name, and so I think that that's something that separates us. Is we're more of a concierge type experience where when you come in, we're small, it's quiet. And I prefer that. I really like that. So we all know each other well. We're friends. If outside of the office, we would probably choose to spend more time together,